Get ready to experience the taste and yield of the freshest, most flavorful strawberries with our Berrylicious guide on growing hydroponic strawberries. Learn expert tips and tricks on how to set up and maintain a thriving hydroponic strawberry garden. Tip 1. Choose the right variety. Look for strawberry varieties that are specifically suited for hydroponic growing, such as Frisa or Temptation. Tip 2. Use the right growing medium. Strawberries can be grown using a variety of hydroponic methods, such as deep water culture, ebb and flow, or drip irrigation. Choose the method that works best for you and use the appropriate growing medium, such as rockwool or coconut coir. Tip 3. Provide proper lighting. Strawberry plants require a lot of light to thrive, so make sure to provide them with plenty of artificial light or place them in a sunny location. Tip 4. Monitor pH and nutrient levels. Keep the pH level of the nutrient solution at around 6.0 and make sure to provide the plants with the right balance of nutrients. Tip 5. Train the plants to grow up. Strawberries can be trained to grow up a trellis, which will save space in the grow area and make harvesting easier. Tip 6. Keep an eye on pests and diseases. Hydroponic strawberries are susceptible to the same pests and diseases as soil-grown strawberries, so be sure to keep an eye out for any signs of infestation or infection. Tip 7. Be patient. Strawberry plants can take a bit longer to establish roots and start producing fruit when grown hydroponically, so be patient and give them the time they need. Tip 8. Keep the humidity level low. High humidity can cause mold and mildew on the strawberry plant. Tip 9. Control the temperature. Strawberry plants prefer a cool temperature. Keep the temperature between 60 to 70 F, 16 to 21 C, to get the best results. Tip 10. Regular pruning. Regularly prune your strawberry plants to remove dead or diseased leaves and encourage new growth.